For years, OE, or original equipment, has become the standard when it comes to high-quality automotive parts. But there's a whole other level above OE, and we're going to talk about a part that fits that description in this episode of Inside the Brands. Hello again, Todd Ciccone here, Brand Manager for CRP Automotive. When speccing replacement parts, it used to be that OE, which stands for original equipment, was the best you can get. But what if that OE part had a design flaw or was prone to failure? Then you might actually want something different, something better than the OE. And that's exactly what this hydraulic power steering pump from AAE is. Designed to fit a wide range of Mercedes-Benz models from 2008 to 2011, this pump has been developed to be better than the OE from the ground up. The AAE 5695N part is the perfect replacement for the Mercedes OE pump. And since the original pumps tend to fail around the 7 to 10 year mark, this pump couldn't have come at a better time. To ensure that the AAE pump has a long service life, it has a different cam pack than the OE unit. This means it's less prone to overheating, which is a contributing factor in the premature failure of this pump. The AAE unit is a direct bolt-on part and ships with the new pulley and correct mounting bracket as well. That about wraps it up for now. If you have a question about this or any other AAE part, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new parts like this one. Thanks for watching.